Well, hello there guys, it's me Omkar. Today I am going to show you how you can make Freddy Fazbear's head. For making that we need some cardboard. Step 1. Making the base. First cut some strip of that cardboard. Now use this strip to frame around your head. And make this kind of shape. You can adjust if you want. After that, add vertical and horizontal strip on that thing. And cover more strip as you can because we need to make this thing stronger. Just like that. As you can see, I also cut portion for my eyes. And it should look like that. After that, we need to make jaw of this mask. First, I take 2 strips of a cardboard and stick it like that. And I take another big strip of a cardboard and stick it like that. As you can see. After that, cover your mask with some newspaper and tape. I suggest you use masking tape for this process because while covering your mask with paper mache, it can stick nicely. I use normal tape because I can't find masking tape in my house and I am too lazy to go outside and purchase it, so I'm gonna use normal tape. So cover everything with newspaper and tape. And for the mouth, I'm just gonna stick some newspaper balls and give it a perfect shape by adding more tape and more newspaper. And look like something is missing. Oh, the ears. For that, I'm gonna cut shape of her ears and stick it on my mask. As you can see, the mask will look like that. Step 2. Adding paper mache. For making paper mache paste, take glue and take water. Mix it and your paper mache paste is now ready. Now take some newspaper, dip it and stick it all over the mask. After paper mache, I also add teeth with some little pieces of cardboard. Step 3. Painting. For painting this mask, I'm gonna use acrylic color. After painting, add some details and your mask is now ready. You can use this mask for cosplay and stuff. Well, thank you for watching guys. If you like my content, please do subscribe my channel because it gives me motivation to make more masks like that. Well, bye bye and sayonara I guess.